TRUEGRID is the world's strongest permeable paver. It's designed to work in all climates and soil conditions, and it's been used in thousands of projects from coast to coast. In our flood-prone hometown of Houston, Texas, well over 2 million square feet have been installed to manage stormwater and combat flooding. One project used over 15 acres of TRUEGRID Pro Plus to create the world's largest permeable parking lot. By choosing TRUEGRID, developers save more than 4 acres, eliminating the separate detention pond, allowing them to use 100% of the land for parking. In Clearwater, Florida, Kelly Crane chose TRUEGRID Pro Plus instead of asphalt to stabilize a 57,000 square foot gravel lot for their massive 260,000-pound vehicles. Dust, mud, and maintenance were virtually eliminated by using TRUEGRID, which is far tougher than asphalt. More than 3,000 miles away in Silicon Valley, TRUEGRID Pro Lite was used on the LinkedIn campus to create a natural grass fire lane to both complement their employee outdoor seating area and satisfy the fire marshal. Up the California coast at the University of California, Santa Cruz, 5 TRUEGRID parking lots have been installed to help filter the stormwater and stop runoff pollutants from entering the Pacific. Travel 1,000 miles to the east in winter and you'll watch snowplows clearing 2 TRUEGRID lots in Garfield County, Colorado's 23,000 square foot fueling station, paved with TRUEGRID Pro Plus. The project was so successful, Garfield County installed another 22,000 square feet of parking lot at the county fairgrounds. Trek another 1,800 miles up the road and you'll find the Pocono Raceway in Pocono, Pennsylvania. This NASCAR-sanctioned track features a 20,000 square foot pathway paved with TRUEGRID Pro Plus and designed to meet NASCAR's green initiatives. Just down the street in New York City, you'll find the Rockaway Ferry parking lot, paved with TRUEGRID Pro Plus. The city chose TRUEGRID for its sustainability, permeability, and long-term maintenance-free paving performance. And finally, if you travel south to the city of New Orleans, you'll find TRUEGRID Pro Plus at the historic Parkway Bakery parking lot. Since 2015, TRUEGRID has helped Parkway weather several storms without flood damage, with many more years of maintenance-free parking to come. Stop in, have the best po' boy in America, and ask Jay, the owner, about his TRUEGRID experience. These are just a few of the thousands of TRUEGRID sites in the U.S. and around the world, from the city of New York to the beaches of California, the Rocky Mountains to the Florida grasslands, all climates and soils. TRUEGRID has been spec'd by engineers and trusted by countless developers nationwide. Learn how you can utilize TRUEGRID in your next project by visiting TrueGridPaver.com or by calling 1-855-355-GRID. TRUEGRID, the world's strongest permeable paver.